Hey guys, Sheri Richerson from Experimental Homesteader Exotic Gardening, SheriandRicherson.com and biannualblog.com. Welcome to our daily vlog. I spent the morning taking Aunt out to do some errands, and then on the way back we stopped at Steak and Shake, and she got both of us the very berry strawberry shakes, which are very good. And I came home, I went outside, I did a little bit of mowing, and came back in. It is super hot outside. It's super hot inside without air conditioning, without windows that open, and yeah, you gotta love this heat wave. I guess tomorrow it's gonna be another heat advisory, so I'm really not looking forward to August at all. I do have some fans running in the house. They're basically circulating the warm air. And when Jeff is home at night, he turns on the air conditioner. It will not shut itself off. So by morning, it is 50 freaking degrees in this house now. So because it just seems to get a little bit colder, or maybe it was just because it was a little bit longer yesterday. I'm not really sure, but it was after 7 o'clock before he got home, and then we had to go right back out. So it was about 9:30, 10 o'clock before we were done last night, and he had to get to bed early so he could start his day, getting up at 3 a.m. and getting ready to go to work, and so he didn't get a lot of sleep. I know tomorrow's July 4th, and I hope everybody has a fun and safe July 4th. We have no plans. We may be going back to Fort Wayne to get his uncle. I'm not sure yet. But other than that, it's just another work day for us. So, but I know a lot of people do celebrate. I went to the garden. I was able to pick some radish, which I was happy about. And I thought I was going to pick some plums, and I moved one of the branches to check, and the tree is loaded with Japanese beetles. And I mean loaded. This is the first time that I have seen that, and I don't know what to make of it. I looked up some organic control, and we're definitely going to have to do something because the Japanese beetles were eating into the fruits. So I'm definitely not happy. And the tree is up high enough that there's no just picking the beetles off, because the minute you move a branch, they literally just flew all over me. So, I don't really know that there's anything else going on today, and I know this is going to be a super short vlog, but like I said, I'm really hot, and I'm tired. The trip to Fort Wayne 2 days in a row kind of wore me out, and I just could use a vacation. That's the truth. I could just use a vacation, and that's not going to happen this year. So I'm just trying to deal with things. So anyway, guys, I hope you will subscribe. We are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. Thanks for watching. And again, I hope all of you have a happy and safe 4th of July tomorrow.